9, we at library, east side. Pull up, please. Pull that car up. Get me out of the road. We'll be out of the way here in just a minute. Gracious. Need to see your license, please, and insurance.
I sure do.
Let me see it.
You don't talk back to me.
Hey.
You don't talk back to me.
Send me a backup, please.
See, bring anybody you
I want to see
want.
insurance, please, ma'am.
Go away.
Do not. Do not touch me, please, like that, okay? Ma'am, I want to put you in the car.
No, you can't do whatever you want.
Okay.
You can't do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want.
What's the problem here?
I have to lock my door. I have to lock my door.
I'll lock it, please. Bob, could you step on it, please? Bob, could you back me up, please? I need a backup, please. Hi, will you settle down? Hi, I got somebody coming. Settle down. Thank you.
Get in the car and shut up.
South side, lover, please. I'll lock it for you.
No! I don't want you to lock my door. Get off me! Get off me!
No, ma'am. You're getting in the car.
No!
Yes, ma'am. You're getting in the car.
You're an idiot.
That's enough, sir. I got help coming. Thank you.
What have I done?
Well, you started pushing on me. That's the first wrong thing.
I want to lock my door, you son of a bitch!
Woo!
Don't make them like that anymore.
I don't know what her problem is. Two to 5, you can slow it down. I still need you up here. Gracious. Settle down. Settle down. Talk about a fight, Jack.
What you got?
A little old female about this size.
What's her problem?
I don't know. I pulled her over for speeding in the school zone. She stops in the middle of the road. And I get on the PA and tell her to get up, move out of my way. And then she comes out and she starts going, shoving. You know, she's...
Tell me what's going on. What are you jumping out of this car? Jumping on this officer for?
She went ballistic when I got her. My gracious.
Yes, I see that. They're going to stay on there. Yeah, you said it there.
Speeding in a school zone. Yeah, he was standing here. She was raising quite a fit, boy. First thing, it's like...
He says, pull over to the right, please. She goes up there. Then finally he told her to pull in here, and she stopped with him halfway out in the street. He says, pull up so I can get out of the street. She pulled up to here and stopped, and then came back here and she started screaming. She's an idiot.
Sir, can I get your name?
Sure.
Okay.
Where's your license? All I do is write her a ticket for speeding, for Pete's sakes.
Yeah, I know she was.
I don't know what her deal was.
She's just crazy.
Yeah.
She pulls up here, gets out, and I guess she starts pushing on him or something.
Yeah, she shoved me twice. That was it. I just.
Got your camera on?
Oh yeah, video.